from the bottom of the driveway on this one. The whole bottom of the driveway is covered with branches. I don't even know where these came from. Lines are all entangled in these all the way down. So not much we can do about that. So I'm going to have to get the power turned off completely to the house to get this fixed. But there's so many other trees out here down. It's like there's just a path of destruction. Keep on going here. Walk back up the driveway. I'll never have enough service to post this, but watch these wires that are down. And the driveway's clear for a couple of 100 feet. The lines are down. Ouch. More trees bent and stuff over here. This looks like crap. What are you gonna do? Guess I don't have to worry about anybody coming up my driveway for a while. If ever. Stream is just running like crazy. It's frothing. There's so much water in it. So I don't think Luke is going to be able to get home tonight because there's no way for him to get from the end of the driveway up here in the dark without a light. So keep walking. You can listen to me huff and puff. Power lines are pulled down here too. I don't know what that one is. Gotta call into the power company to tell them to shut it off. Shut it off to the house already. Look at this mess. And there's these trees. It's completely annihilated. Just ripped to shreds. Ripped to shreds. These over here are uprooted. Completely. Wanted to get rid of them anyway. But it's interesting they didn't hit the lines. That doesn't make any sense that they didn't. So, and they're down, plus these more. I've even lost count now. I'm just trying to figure out how many of these I'm going to have to clean up. And then keep going. Then we're gonna have to go through the woods because this is where my driveway should open up. There should be a little trailer over here. Don't know where that is. Underneath a bunch of stuff. Power lines are in this, so I'm not gonna touch any of this crap. Oh, what a mess. Oops. I'm gonna sneak back through the woods because I have no other way to get in. My house is over there. I'm gonna go back through the woods. See all these trees just hanging. We're down over here, over there, everywhere. Definitely just a path went straight through here. If I can't go up this way a little, I might be able to. Get stuck in the raspberry bush or two. Oh, I think I can go this way. Maybe. These are holding on tight to the power lines over here. The other side of the driveway. Up there. See all the trees that are knocked off in the woods? Sorry, I'm watching for down power lines. All this is down, blocking my house. And on top of Danny's truck. I'll go back around this way now. I can't get through there. And more trees over here. Ruined the tent, of course. Everything ruins the tents. Oh, I didn't check the one up there. Ooh, I've got to do that. Over here, under that big tree is another car. And then there's that tree that came down that hit the house and this car. And, so careful to avoid the lines. That branch up there is what is leaking water into my house. More trees down over there. Luckily they went the other way. I didn't bother to check yet to see how stuff is going elsewhere. So that is my little walkthrough of the mess. Pretty nasty. This took about 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Wow.